Question number 17. It says that there is a circus show and there are several clowns and there's a wooden boards arranged as shown in the figure. Some portion of the complete figure has been shown here, and these boards, they can rotate about the fixed fulcrum. So there are fulcrums, they are fixed, and the boards have been placed over there and they can rotate. The length is divided into 2:1 ratio at the fulcrum of each board, and there has been a mass of 30 kg placed at one of them, and the question says that how many such clowns can balance each other if they are of 80 kg and they are having 1 feet on one board, another feet on another board in the adjacent boards. So this is a question, and we need to find the number of maximum number of clowns basically, which so that they are balancing each other. So this question basically deals with the balancing of the torques, and the clowns, they have 1 feet on one board, another feet in the adjacent another board, and they can adjust their weight just to balance the boards. So let me draw the picture separately. Let's say this is the first board, so we will keep on solving one by one and check how far we can go. So let's say this is mass which we have been given as 30 kg. So we can say here is going to be torque acting or force acting. Basically we can say force is going to be equal to mass into gravity. So this is going to be 300 Newton. Fulcrum is connected over here. If we want it to be balanced, considering these boards as massless, there is required a force. So this first clown must apply a force equal to what that we can find over here. Let's say that force is F1. Now we can think of this as x length, so this is going to be twice x. This is the first board we are working with. So here it says like for torque to balance about this fulcrum, it should be like 300 into twice x must be equal to F1 into x. So from here you'll find this F1 comes out to be 600 Newton, which is basically corresponding to 60 kg. Now the person with the clown which is standing over here is of 80 kg. So what that clown can do, can give 60 kg corresponding weight on this one, and rest of is 20 kg for the next one. So there is another plank over here. Now the clown is able to distribute the masses. So rest will go here. That means if we convert this is going to be corresponding to 20 kg, which is basically as a force 200 Newton. The fulcrum is here. This is again x, this is going to be twice x. How much the force is needed for this? Let's call it as F2. We can do calculation for this as well. When we do the calculation for this, we'll find it's going to be like 20 into g, that is 200, into twice x must be balanced by F2 into x. So this will give us the value of the force the second clown has to apply on this board number 2. So F2 is going to be equal to 400 Newton, which is basically corresponding to 40 kg. So 40 kg that person has to apply over here. If it is applying 40 kg on this, it was of 80 kg of course, so rest has to be go to the adjacent next plank. Now so that next adjacent plank will have a force corresponding to 40 kg. Its fulcrum is going to be there, and let's say the force that is needed over is F3. Again this is x and this is twice x. It is to balance, you will write 40 into twice x is equal to F3 into x. What we are doing, we are balancing the torque from the fulcrum. So this leads to F3 is equal to this is 40 kg, right? So if we convert it into Newton, so it has to be 400 Newton. So F3 comes out to be 800 Newton. So it has to be correspondingly 80 kg. That means here 80 kg is required. Now you know this clone mass is 80 kg. So that means this clone is completely standing on this third one. That means its share or its contribution to the next plank is going to be 0. So if there's a 0 mass coming on the next one, so this cannot be balanced by another clone, isn't it? So that means up to this they can balance each other. So how many planks we can count? The first, the second, the third. So only 3 planks can be balanced in equilibrium by sharing the masses by these clones in the way the question demands for. So our answer will become, we can have total number of 3 such clones. One clone is going to be here, another is going to be here, another is going to be here. Planks will be 3 as shown. So that this becomes our final answer. Thank you.